that it'll latch without the strike in place. So when we put the strike in place, all of a sudden no latch. And you can see that it's actually too far in. If I push it in really hard, I can get it. But what we need to do is pull it back this way a little bit. So what we need to do is trim it out just a little bit. So all we got to do is move just a little material right here. Got my knife and I've got a little chisel. Or use my knife as a little chisel. There we go. Nice and flush. And now here's our latch piece. We can test it just to make sure. Nice and easy. Right where we want it. And we just want to go a little over from where our old screws were. Old screws there. You can fill them in with putty, but a lot of times, as long as you don't get too close, just fine. Nice and strong. Yay, all fixed. Okay, for a deadbolt, once you get it all lined up just right, you want to use longer screws to secure the latch plate, strike plate. So on this one, the latch needed to be moved forward a little bit. Sometimes it needs to be repositioned a little higher or a little lower or further back. It just depends on your particular situation, but this just gives the idea of how you can adjust it for a proper close. I've heard of some people using lipstick on the end of the deadbolt and then turning it open, and it'll leave the imprint on the wall. I've never really used it that way. I just kind of look at it and I can usually tell where it's seating and whether it's too close or too high or too low, and then adjust accordingly. But yeah, it's an idea, you know, different ways you can do it. Sometimes you can turn the latch bolt open all the way and then just look at and line it up where it's hitting. Maybe use a pencil and mark so you can see how high and low it's sitting, and then adjust the strike where it needs to be. Another important point is to make sure that the bolt actually closes all the way. If it doesn't, it's very easy to open it. Someone can slip a tool in and open it. You can check my video on that. Most important point for deadbolts. That's the video. But thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.